Hello everyone, welcome to the Navodaya Nation channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about analogy related mental ability questions. Let us move on to the question and answer section. In analogy mental ability question, there will be a first set of figures given. In first set of figure, there is a relation exist between the first figure and the second figure. Okay, this relation or the reasoning we have to apply it to the second set. In second set, only one figure is given and we have to apply the reasoning or the relation from the first set and find out the second figure, and this figure will be matching to one of the answer figure. Okay, all right. Let us try to find out the answer figure here. Okay, so in first and second, what relation exists is, see here, the outside circle and the inside triangle are exchanging, right? So as you can see, triangle came out and circle went inside. All right. So same analogy we have to apply it to the second set. So here outside is the triangle and inside is the circle. So we have to exchange these two. So after exchanging, so which figure is representing this? As you can see, outside it will be circle and inside it will be triangle, and there is no changes in square, right? So in option C, this mechanism relationship happening, right? Outside circle came and inside triangle is there, right? So there is no changes to the square as usual present. So in option A, so here uh, square come came out, so that is the wrong answer, right? So in option B also triangle is outside, so that is wrong answer. In option D, square came out. Okay, so that's why we have to apply the reason from first set to second set. So the reason from first set is the inside figure and the outside figure just swapping. Okay, that's it. Here we have to just swap outside and inside figure and find out the answer. So as inside figure is circle, it came out and it become bigger, and outside triangle is bigger and it went inside and became smaller, right? So option C is the right answer here. Let us move on to the next question. Here in question number 2, let us find out the analogy between these two figure. What is the relation exist that we have to identify, and same relation we have to apply it to the second set. Okay, so here this direction it changes to the opposite diagonal, right? So in which case this exists is, as you see in mirror image, right? So this diagonal, if it is there, then if you place a mirror at this place, it will appear in the opposite diagonal like this. Opposite diagonal, the arrow should be there, right? So it should be like this. All right. So and again this diagonal, it will be opposite side. Okay. The diagonal whatever this one is there, right? It will be opposite. So uh, the second figure is mirror images of the first one. So we have to apply the mirror image method here. Okay. The relation is mirror image. Here we have to apply the mirror image method. So in mirror image, as you can see, this arrow is in this diagonal, so it should go in the opposite diagonal. Okay, it should be on the opposite diagonal like this. Okay, so and these two things are same. Okay, it will be like this here on this direction. Okay, so how about this small part? So as a small part exists on the left hand side of the figure, so it should appear on the right hand side, right? So it should be somewhere like this, right hand side. Okay, so the figure matching to this one is option B, right? Exactly matching to the figure option 2, right, in this set. Okay, so here remaining figures are not matching to the this one question figure question, right? Let us move on to the next question. In question number 3, as you can see here, the arrow is in this direction and in second figure it is like this. So as you can see, if it turns like this means it is 90-degree rotated. Okay, the figure is 90-degree rotated. All right. So here the relation between these two is rotation of the figure in anti-clockwise direction of 90-degree. Okay, so here also if we apply a 90-degree rotation of this figure, so it will be the figure shifts to this direction and it is here. Okay, anti-clockwise direction. If we rotate 90-degree means the new figure appears like this. Okay, so matching figure here is option D. Okay, so in place of question option D comes. Okay, right. Let us move on to the next question. Here in question number 4, as you can see, the analogy between these two figure is the inside multiplication symbol, it is extending to the end like this and this, right? So same analogy we have to apply here, okay, for circle and a plus, right? So it will be something like complete this one and this one, okay. So here the matching figure is option B. Okay. So the same analogy from the first set I applied it to the second set. Okay. Let us move on to the next section. In this section, answer keys are provided. Kindly compare your answers. Thank you for watching.